Stop paying thousands to immigration agents for something you can legally do yourself. If you're serious about moving to Norway in 2026 and you don't have a university degree, this is for you. In this video, I will show you the exact documentation you need, the industries hiring right now, and the step-by-step system to apply independently. In 2026, employers are actively recruiting foreign workers for hands-on jobs because they simply do not have enough local labor. If you're willing to work hard, this could be your opportunity. Let's break it down properly. Here is the reality. In 2026, Norway is facing a significant labor shortage. Industries like agriculture, hospitality, and construction are struggling to find enough local workers. Why does this matter to you? Because the Norwegian Directorate of Immigration has specific pathways for seasonal workers. UDI policies favor documented practical experience for these high-demand roles. If you have the right skills, Norwegian employers can hire you without requiring a university degree and sponsor you to work legally in the country. Top 3 sectors hiring without a degree. 1. Seasonal agriculture and fishing. This is the most common route. From berry picking during the summer to fish processing in northern regions, these roles often come with direct employer sponsorship. 2. Construction and manual labor. These include site assistants and specialized laborers. Norway's infrastructure continues to expand, and employers prioritize physical stamina and hands-on experience over academic qualifications. 3. Remote tourism and hospitality. Hotels and tourism operators in cities like Bergen and regions such as the Lofoten Islands urgently need staff for the peak 2026 summer and winter seasons. How to apply for these jobs? So, how do you find these employers? You do not use a middleman. Step 1. Go to arbeidsplassen.nav.no. This is the official government job portal. Search for keywords like seasonal, English, or no experience required. Step 2. Your CV needs to look different. Don't bury your practical skills under a list of high school subjects. Highlight your physical reliability, your previous hands-on work, and your can-do attitude. Step 3. When you get an interview, confirm they are willing to issue the UDI job offer contract. This is a specific form the employer must sign for your visa to be valid. Norway doesn't just want your degrees. It needs your hands, your skills, and your determination. In 2026, the door is wider than it has been in years for those willing to do the work that keeps this country running. Ready to start your application? Check the description for job links and start applying now. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. If you're planning on moving abroad, make sure to watch this video on the screen.